Wine that is sparkling. Oh yeah, that is just, it's so wrong. I can't do that. You're right, guys, hope you're well. So it's Friday, and that means it's time to have a drink, and well, I think I've earned it. And if I haven't earned it, tough, I'll have it anyway. So, we're going to be drinking some of the summer fruit wine that we started a little while ago now. And it's been carbonating for, well, 3 weeks now. And the bottle hasn't exploded. Good to know. So, if you haven't seen those videos, I will stick the link up there, so, well, you can see it. Let's do this. So, as you may recall, this is actually a kind of a wine light, so to speak. It used a very small amount of fruit to make this booze, and well, it's got bottle appeal. Now I would have pulled out the clear bottle, but I overdrank it. I did it last week when I was trying to make this video. Didn't go very well. 1.5 liters of alcohol in less than an hour doesn't generally help, articulate, that's the word, what you want to do and how it is. So, we're here, we've got a glass, we've got another bottle, it's time to do this. So, let's crack she open. Is it carbonated? Yep. So, as you recall, I didn't carbonate this heavily. It's still got a nice fizz to it. 2 seconds. Anyway, so it has a bit of fizz in there, even though we went light on the carbonation. 1, because I'm using glass bottles, and 2, I'm not a great fan of heavy carbonation. If you were going to go stupidly heavy with this carbonation, put it into plastic bottles or use champagne bottles. These ordinary wine bottles can take pretty much what a beer bottle can, just so you know. So let's pour some out. Oh, you gotta have a good glass. It's been one of those days. It is effervescing, as you would hope that a sparkling alcoholic beverage would. It looks like squash. That's mainly because we went light on the fruits, so it did impart a colour and a flavour. Actually, it smells like summer fruits. Oh, how does it taste? Cheers! Tastes pretty damn fine. Whoa! Oh, yeah. So it's got the fizziness, and it's a mixture of multiple fruits. Strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, got it right this time, and also blackcurrants. And it's all mixed in together. And depending on how much back sweetening you do, depends on which flavors are going to come out first. So we didn't back sweeten this heavily. We didn't stupidly sweeten this. In fact, I did that and then I dialed it back. So the berries with less sugar content are the ones that are in the forefront. They are the blackcurrants. The blackcurrants and the raspberries, they're really coming out when you first, what's the word? Drink it. That's the word I'm looking for. Haven't had that much. They're the ones that first come to your mouth, the mouthfeel, and then, well, you swallow it, as you do. Don't spit. And then you start getting the lovely blackberries and then the strawberries, because, well, they're the last ones, and they just, oh, it's so good. Not to mention that the sparkling also really does help bring out the flavors. It opens up your taste buds, so you can use less. And it tastes like more. Ooh, pretty damn good. Excuse me. So I had to finish the glass I had and pour myself another one because, well, you can never have too much sampling. And this is no exception. It's really nice. Considering how cheap it is, really good. I don't think this would work really well if you tried adding tannin to it and try and turn it into an ordinary, type of wine. It is absolutely fantastic as a fruit wine. No added tannin, just, the little tannins that are in there. Just good as it is. so good because you get all those different flavors. The zinginess and the tartness and then the sweetness. And then after you finished it, strawberries. Oh yes. Really, really good, really easy to make, and really, really cheap. I mean, can't really argue with that. It wouldn't work if this wasn't carbonated, I don't think. Not as good. But considering that we did carbonate it and we did back sweeten it just a little bit, don't go too heavy. If you're gonna do this, don't go too heavy on the carbonation. Try it, and then when you find your kind of sweet spot, dial it back a little bit because the carbonation is going to bring it out a bit more and you'll get those tart, zingy flavors. And then fruit. Can't argue with that. Absolutely a delightful little beverage. And it's sparkling, so it gets you drunk quicker. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to check out some of the other ones and, well, subscribe if you feel like it. Carry on homebrewing, guys. Cheers. So I just want to take a second to thank my patrons. They're helping me grow the channel, upgrade my equipment, all of that fantastic stuff. And as a thank you to them and for future patrons, I also do 4 Patreon-only videos per month. So it's pretty handy if you want a little bit extra. So there's some other links to videos down below, and of course the Patreon and subscribe button. Don't forget to check those out. See ya.